There we go. 1970 Sport Fury GT. One of the rarest Mopars you can get. So where we're standing is, we just pulled that out. This is a running driving car. It is a 1970 Plymouth Sport Fury GT in burnt orange with the burnt orange interior and the black vinyl top. That means it has the 440 automatic, and this thing is fully loaded. I think the only thing it's missing is probably the sunroof in the option package, because we're going to show you the interior. I mean, it's original paint other than one quarter panel was repainted. The buzzer works, but it's a bucket seat console air conditioned car. I mean, yeah, the dash is cracked, but I mean, everything else is just about perfect in here. And the seat's got a little, but it's original interior. Hooker headers. C-body were the only ones that used this rim for the most part. They weren't available on like Kudos or Challengers or anything like that. You've probably seen other videos of mine. Like we had that quadruple or triple black 70 Sport Fury GT in barn finds at McCacken like 4 or 5 years ago. Otherwise, we also had some of the 6-pack Sport Fury GTs at McCacken. We had the 6-pack, we had some 4-barrel ones. But I can honestly say in all my travels, I've never seen one quite like this. When I was here, 7, 8 years ago, I saw this was in the lower garage, which we'll show you here in a second just real quick. But those are all running cars, so I won't delve into too much detail on them. But this car was buried in the garage and it was snowing, and so we just never got a chance to get it out and actually get a good look at it. But I mean, this is one of my favorite Mopars, and just cars in general. Like, if I ever had the money, I would have one of these as like a cruiser, because it's so comfortable. I've been in friends' cars like this, and it's absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. But is there any way we can pop the hood real quick? Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay, she's been,
well, you're an engineer. I mean, I'm sure you...
Well, like I said, this was a street racer back in the day, so...
Yeah, how crazy. This thing was street raced. A big Mopar C-body with every option. Except for it doesn't have disc brakes. Crazy. But 440, 727 automatic, air conditioning, powered drum brakes. Man, this thing must be a handful to stop. Especially since you're racing, or it was racing. I mean, look at the size of the radiator.
Yeah, so when I got it, it had hooker headers on it.
Oh yeah, I didn't realize.
Drag shocks, 4, 5, 6 gear.
You put original exhaust manifolds back on it?
Yeah, there's a little too much.
Is there a fender tag?
Yep.
Oh, there it is. I remember they moved it someplace different. That is cool. All right, let me get a back shot. There we go. 1970 Sport Fury GT. One of the rarest Mopars you can get. Okay, here's the lower barn. Now, as I said, these all run and drive. So it's not like they've been sitting for 50 years. You know, they're not some crazy car. But like, this is his... He's an engineer, so he made one of the very first 3rd-gen Hemi Demons, which is this one. He's got his 2 Tribute AAR which are beautiful. I didn't even realize I could get over on this side. And that car up there is his high school car. And he has pictures when he graduated high school doing burnouts at the Silver Dome in that car. Because his class was the first class to actually need to use the Silver Dome to graduate at, because there were so many kids in the graduating class. And that over there is the 68 Charger. Now, I've posted that on my social media in the past. It's an original paint, original vinyl top car, 383. And is this one a 4-speed also?
No, auto.
This was the auto. Okay. Yeah, 68 Charger. It's not an RT. It's just a big block, 323, 4-barrel. Just a fun car. I don't want to rub up against the AAR. And then behind it's probably one that very few people know exists. It's the last 300 that was built. And it was a letter car, or was it its own thing? This was the last 300, I believe, for a long time. 1979 Chrysler 300, built on the same, it's basically a Cordoba or like a Charger of that era. And it was the last one until I think the M, the 300M.
Yeah, front wheel drive, right.
Yeah, the front wheel drive. Because they didn't have one with the K cars. And then over on this side of the barn is another Demon. And this one currently has, it's a slant, no, this is the Magnum 5.2 with a turbo. And it all fits underneath the hood with no modifications. And then up there is a 68 Dart GT, or no, it's not a GT. Oh, it is a GT. GT convertible. I've seen so many cars lately, it's hard to keep track. And then down below is a A-body 69 Barracuda Fastback. Ooh, rally gauge cluster. And then I don't know if we'll be able to see, but there's a Viper engine over here too. So there's the Barracuda, hubcaps and all. And then a Murata, which people, this isn't a CMX, right? Because it doesn't have the half vinyl top.
Right, it's just 82.
Just an 82 Murata. But yeah, like I said, this gentleman's an engineer, so he has lathes and mills and builds so many cool pieces. Well, I mean, how can you go wrong when you have a barn full of cool Mopars? Oh, there's a Magnum. So what do you guys think? Hold on. I told Jerry when I got back to the garage that the 70 Sport Fury GT was the main reason I came back. All the other cars were cool, and, you know, I love Cudas, I love Demons, I love all kinds of Mopars, but seeing a burnt orange 70 Sport Fury GT, they just don't pop up. I mean, you can go to 100 car shows, you'll probably never see another one quite like that. And it's cool to see the difference. These pictures are from when I was there in like 2016, 2017. The way things have changed and moved around. And like most of the cars you see here that are sitting outside in the snow or were up in the other barn have all been moved to the lower barn. That way you can get to them a lot easier. 90% of the cars in the lower barn run and drive. So that's benefit. This M Code 69 Super B was a project I think went back to his friend's place. But it's really cool to see that he does work on these cars consistent with his family, and I can't wait to see what comes up next. I hope you guys enjoyed that little video from my friend's property. It's really kind that Jerry let me walk around and document these cool cars, especially after it was the last time we were here, it was snowing. It's April here in Michigan. It's snowing again. It hailed on us. It's been a heck of a day, let me tell you. But I mean, so much cool stuff to see and document. I'm just happy to be here. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll talk to you all soon. Hey everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video from my friend Jerry's garage. Or barn. I mean, it really was a barn. That's what it was originally built for. But still cool that all those cars he has. And he drives most of them on a regular occasion. Just, you know, it was snowing when we were there. So it didn't quite work out. But I did take the blue car on a multi-day, I think I put 1,000 miles on it over a few days. And I got some new Continental tires on the car, which I'm very happy about. The back seem a little weird, but I think they're bigger tires, but they seem smaller in the back. Not quite sure on that one. But it's great. The car sounds great. You know, there's not a lot of road noise. Handles great. Getting ready for power tour, but the big thing is, it's Sunday night. I just got back from the Foxview Lanes Mopar swap meet, and then I meandered my way around Wisconsin for a few hours. And yeah, I picked up another with armrest for my door panels, because this one had the bracketry that I was missing. So, very happy about that. And tomorrow, since it's going to be like the only nice day of the week before Jefferson, I'm going to go, you can see, I have to go through all of that, and start piling up what I'm taking there. Because I'm going to be selling books, and parts. So I will see you all there, because by the time the next video comes out, it will be done. So I'll hope to see you. I will be in building number 2 at Jefferson. I'm there on Friday and Saturday from, I think, 10 to 2. Otherwise, I'm going to be walking around, so look for me. I hope you guys are all safe and happy. I'll see you all soon.